Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to reset your Whirlpool oven quickly and easily. First, turn off the oven and unplug it from the power outlet for safety. If you can't access the plug, turn off the oven's circuit breaker for at least 1 to 2 minutes. Next, plug the oven back in or turn the circuit breaker on. Press and hold the clear/off button for 3 to 5 seconds. On most Whirlpool models, this resets the control board and clears any error codes. If your oven has a digital display, check that all lights and symbols have returned to normal. This indicates the reset was successful. For models with a control panel lock, make sure the control lock is turned off. Press and hold the control lock button if needed to disable it. Finally, run a short test cycle at a low temperature to ensure the oven heats properly and the control panel responds correctly. By following these steps, you can easily reset your Whirlpool oven and restore normal operation. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching.